come back to unsigned numerical data types. Unsigned numerical data types means it may contain only, it may contain
Contains
only command, only positive values.
contains
Positive.
Positive value. Positive value. Positive value means okay, like 10,
0 to
100,
10.
1000 like that. Okay. According to sizes, these are again four types. These are again four types. Okay. Yeah.
Byte.
Urmila,
bytes.
Tammy, don't respond. Don't respond like that. I'll ask you when that time only. Please respond. Explain the session. Byte, byte, beat.
Byte,
Yeah, guys.
U short.
No. Don't respond. Don't respond. If I will ask, only respond. Don't respond because noisy coming. Byte, you short.
You short, you end, you long.
Urmil, what I'm telling, don't respond. I'll ask you. Because unless I'll
I
ask
think
you.
you were asking me.
I'll ask you. When I'll ask you, respond. Okay? Don't. I'm just repeating. I'm giving. Okay. Byte, you short, you int, D, you long, byte, you short, you int, you long. These are what? Unsigned. Remember, these are unsigned numerical data types based on sizes. Byte, same. S byte here, byte. There short, U short. Sorry, I'm sorry. Unsigned. Yeah, U short. U stands for unsigned. There int here, U int. There long here, U long. U stands for unsigned. And based on sizes. Means what? Here 1 byte. Here 2 byte. 2 byte.
But I have a small question.
1 minute.
Why is it?
I understood. Wait. 4 byte. I'll give you a chance. Wait. 4 byte. Next 8 byte. 8 byte. Okay. Now you give me ask your question.
Why is it just you short, you int, you long? Why is it not you byte?
What is that? So the
No,
names no. To avoid the confusion, they have given different names. Byte again, you byte again, you short. You, what is that? Byte, you byte. What is the third name?
no. You int, you long. For everything he has given you as unsigned for short, int and long. But why not for byte?
Because already there for byte they have given already S byte. That's why here to give the clarity byte they have given. Okay. Why Hyderabad name is Hyderabad, Secunderabad name is Secunderabad. Okay. Okay. We can't give much clarity about that. Okay. Because simple. There S byte already they have given. Yes byte. So here simply they have given byte like that. Okay. Right. Next byte means predefined size. Byte means byte predefined sizes.
Byte.
Any questions you have, better to give. I'll give a chance end of the session. That last you can wait and you can discuss with me. Sometimes questions will be valid, sometimes invalid questions, unnecessary time waste, and it will disturb others' clarity. Now, predefined size is 1 byte and 1 into 8. 1 byte. Byte means you can, here you have to find what is some small confusion will be there. Let me give the clarity. 1 byte equal to 1 into 8 bits means here it can accommodate 8 bits of unsigned integers. There also 8 bits only, S byte, but that is signed integers. The difference between signed and unsigned means, unsigned integer means what? It can accommodate only
Positive.
positive. Again, internally how it will accommodate, that is not required for a programmer, because that is not required. Just remember one thing, S byte also 8 bits, but S byte here you can see S byte 8 bits is 8 bits of signed integers, can be positive or negative. Here 8 bits of unsigned means can be only negative value. And the next is base type is, we have to check the base type here. You have to check the base type. Come on. Yeah, byte, base type, system dot byte.
System dot byte.
Here B is small, here B is capital. Okay, right, system dot byte. Importance of this base type slowly you will understand when you are writing programming. Give me some time. Okay, right. You write here system dot. If you have a habit of writing the notes on book, that will be really great. Effective training, that is effective learning. Okay, simultaneously pen and paper is there. What I am writing, you are also writing. Super.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but
Yeah.
don't make paper noise to me. Okay, right, smoothly. Okay, because everything is matter here. Okay, now next min value and max value. Let's find the min value and max value of byte. Okay, now console effective learnings. I'll tell you. One is simultaneously writing on your paper, not in notepad. Paper work is good. Second effective is responding for every question through chart. Console dot write line byte dot min value. Byte dot min value. Again, console dot write line byte dot max value compilation. Yes, 0 to, you can observe, 0 to 255, that is minus 128 to 127, because here 0 to 255 because it's unsigned. You cannot accommodate a negative value. That is a reason. That is a reason. Okay. So finally here we can write min value is 0. Max value is 255. Okay, now 255. Next, yeah. Let's find some examples. Not real time, first normal. Examples, you observe examples, examples for byte, examples for byte. Byte A equal to 100, 100. Now come on, 100,
Valid, sir.
1 minute.
Valid.
Valid, valid. Byte B equal to minus 100, minus 100, minus
Yes.
100,
Invalid.
Valid.
invalid, because it is a
Because
negative value, because it's a unsigned data. Unsigned data type we are trying to assign negative. Byte C equal to 10 double quotes, valid or invalid?
Invalid.
valid.
Because string data. Next, byte D equal to 255,
Valid.
valid. Now, byte
Valid.
E equal to 256,
Invalid.
Valid.
invalid. Byte F minus, sorry, 0, 0,
Valid. Valid.
valid, 0, valid. Okay. Now, byte FG minus 1,
Invalid.
invalid. Okay, very good. Up to here, okay, fine. Everything is going well. Data types, really, the way the style of our learning is, will give you in-depth knowledge, but sometimes you will have a bit of confusion also, because we are going in very different manner. You check data types books anywhere, this type of discussions will not be there. So come on, but you have to concentrate more and more here. Okay. Next, we'll go with yeah, real time. Okay, real time variable for, yeah, I'm removing everything. Real time, I'll ask one person, don't respond all the people. Real time variable for, real time variable for byte. Okay, real time variable for byte. Now, yeah, Harsha, are you there? Harsha, okay. Now Neha, come and tell me real time variable for byte. Neha.
Age.
Age. Byte age equal to 10. Why? Because age will not have any negative value, and age will start from 0, 1, 2, maximum 120, maximum Himalaya is staying in Himalaya 150. 150. Okay, but here we have to up to 250. But you observe age you declared. You want writing a program. You want to declare age according to your requirement. But our people will declare age as what? Into. Into first of all, int is a signed, but age is a unsigned data. And second thing is you are accommodating 4 bytes memory. Here 1 byte is enough. Like that, appropriate data types. Whenever you write a program, declare appropriate data types. People will use for any numerical data into. They are not following the coding standards. But if you are declaring like this, 100% you will get good response. Now guys, next come back to our discussion. Any more examples for byte?
10th of a class.
Okay, what is that? Kalyani, tell
10th of
me.
a class.
Strength of
Students
the
are
class. Strength of the class means in Hyderabad in my classroom sometimes 500 students will be there.
So number of days in a month.
Let me check that. Byte number of days in month equal to, yeah, maybe 30, 20, max 31. So no
Okay.
problem. It is working, right? Yeah, next.
body temperature, sir.
Hmm? Body
Body
temperature.
temperature.
Body temperature, I think may have a floating data, I hope, right? Floating.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
oh yeah.
I don't know. See, I am not a medical candidate. I don't know all those things.
No,
But
there is a
I hope
floating. It is a floating
floating.
data.
Next.
Number of months in a year.
Yeah, number of, what is that? Number of? Yeah, number of
Month.
months here. Very good. By number of months in a year is 12. Right. Like that. Like that, guys. Now I am giving one task for you. All the tasks you remember. Task for you. Find how many real-time variables you can find for byte. Tell me how many you want. 10 or 20 or 30 or 100 or. It's up.
Right, sir.
Try 50. Can you try 50?
50,
Not
That's
5.
fine, sir.
If you will find more,
I,
and here you, if you will find multiple, your subject will increase, right? Depth. More you think. Okay, 20 real-time variables per byte. You have to find and you have to send to me. Okay, na? Next data type is, yes, byte is over. Next U short. U short. Okay, right. U stands for, listen, U stands for unsigned. U stands for unsigned. U stands for unsigned. Unsigned. Okay. And predefined size is 2 bytes. 2 into 8 equal to 16 bits of unsigned integers. Unsigned integers. 16 bits of unsigned integers. Okay. Next, come on. Unsigned integers. Next. Okay. Yes. Base type is base type. Base type for what? U sharp. Okay, guys. Observe, observe.
you
Right.
short.
Babu, 1 minute.
System dot.
U sharp.
Okay.
Base type is system dot u into 16. Data types knowledge will be helpful in typecasting. Be careful. U into 16. Base type is system dot u into 16. Why 16? Because of 16 bits. Remember it.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Min value, max value. You can check like this. Console dot write line. Urmil, tell me min value is what?
Where? Oh yeah. U short dot mean value. Console dot write line.
Yeah,
U
yeah.
short dot
How much,
max value.
what it will print? What is the min value of U short?
0,
Zeros.
Zero.
0.
0.
Zero.
Any, 1 minute, any unsigned numerical, any unsigned data you take 0 only. Okay? Right, guys. Very good. Now console dot write line u short dot max value. U short dot max value. U short dot max value. 65,535 is the max. Okay, guys. Now you tell me the real time variables for U short. Real time variables for U short. Come on, I'll ask one person. Don't give all the people respond together. Okay, now real time. Come on. Renuka, come on, you respond. Renuka, Renuka. You can respond now. Renuka. Uh, Next, Sammy Khan. Sammy, respond.
Yes, sir. Number of floors,
U short, is it?
students in a class.
1 minute,
Yes,
1
sir.
minute. U short. U short. Tell me, what is that? U short. Number of?
Students in a class. Students in a
Number
class.
of students, yeah. Because it depends. If the class is size is small, you can go with what? First one. First one is what? By. If the strength is more, next you can go. Number of students. Students in class. May. In our training, we have 1,000 students also sometimes. That's the reason you are taking like this.
Number of days in a week.
Number of days in a week, we can
In
go
a
with
year.
byte. We can go with
Byte.
byte only because 7 days only, right? If it is crossed 255, then
Number
we
of floors.
Number of days in a year.
Number of student marks.
number of floors, yeah, but
Number
lower
of
floor,
floors.
cellar floors will be there. Now that's a problem. Next. Number of
Number of
days,
days in a
Student total
very
marks.
good, excellent. 1 minute. Number of, wait. Number of, you can respond to chart. Number of year, number of
Days in a year.
days in year. So let's say 365 like that. Okay. Yes. Come on.
Sir, number of hours in a year.
Oh, excellent. Number of
False.
hours. I don't know. Number of hours will not cross 65,000, right?
No, sir.
Calculate and very good, very good. Enough. Do research.
Measure voltage in the substation, sir.
Sorry.
Voltage.
Voltage in the substation.
Negative. Yeah.
Okay, fine. What is Ajay? I didn't get you. Sorry.
Voltage, sir.
Voltage, yeah?
Voltage.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. You do one thing. Send me 5, not 5, 10 variables, real-time variables for U short, all of you guys. Next, we are going for the next data type that is called uint. U stands for unsigned. Same story again. And predefined size is 4 bytes. 4 into 8 equal to 32 bits of unsigned integers. And coming to base type is for uint base type is base type.
Dot.
Check you can guess also. U into 32. U into 32 is the base type. Base type is system dot u into 32. System dot u into 32. Okay. U into 32. Okay. Now next, come on guys, we'll see the min and max value. I'm sure it will be huge data, huge number, I hope. And min value we know very well 0. Max
0.
value is required. U int max value. U int max value, right? U int max value. Oh, big value. Okay. Now guys, one more thing you forgot about U short. You can give even though ATM pin for U short. I think ATM pin will be 4 digits, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 4 digits data you cannot accommodate in byte. So ATM pin will not have any negative value. So that also you can give with U short. And now U into, come on, tell me U into uint, real-time variable for uint. I think cell number, Indian cell number will have 10 digits. Let me try with mobile number. Mobile number. In US, how many digits number it is?
10,
10
sir.
digits.
10 only. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
0.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Now that means 1 minute, 1 minute. Mobile number, you can go with what? Uint 9866. You observe. My number I am typing here. 9866 193 194. Like phone numbers you can go with. And coming to the population, even though, no, it's not allowing, man. 4 plus 6, 10. Not allowing uint. You have to go with next level. Mobile number, if you want to declare, you have to go with next level. What is the next level data type?
Too long.
Long.
You have to go with long. Then where you will use uint? Pin code, Indian pin code. Indian pin code will have, I think, 3 plus 3, 6 digits. You can go with uint. Can I go with U short here? U short. Pin code, I am telling Indian pin
No.
code, you see. So Indian pin code, you have to go with what, U
5.
uint fine pin code. Okay, now like that, any more train numbers like that, you check that. Okay, now next coming to fourth data type is called ulong. Ulong means predefined size 8 bytes, 8 into 8, 64
Bits.
bits. Okay, base type is ulong. Base type you want to check. You people can guess also.
64.
Ulong base type is system dot u into 64. System dot u into 64 and ulong. And yeah, whenever you have highest, biggest unsigned numerical data, then go with ulong. Can you give me some real-time examples for ulong? Ulong.
Account number.
Excellent. Account number, bank account number, 0, like this. Okay. Next. You can tell 100 examples now. Ulong,
Population.
country population, country
Country
population,
population.
country population,
And
and employee number. Because employee number in a company, you have lakhs of employees sometimes. So employee number. Next, student number or hall ticket number, SID, student number, student hall ticket number. Next, any more? Come on, tell me.
Marks.
Marks don't require. Marks is generally, according to my knowledge, marks may contain floating. That's the reason we will not consider into numerical first of all. Next.
The SSN number, Social Security
Excellent.
number.
SSN. Right. Next.
Number.
Sorry. Mobile number.
Driving license.
Mobile number. That's now we
Driving
tried
license.
with you into mobile. My number I tried. It's not fitting. You see now. Now you see. Now mobile number. And that means whenever you are writing a program, if you want to declare mobile number, you have to go with what? Ulong. If you write a program like this, then like with the appropriate data types, suppose you will go to a company, they are conducting machine test, and some of the students in the previous batch, when they went for interviews, they had shared with me. They have given a paper and asking to write some programs. In front of them, you have to write programs. Sometimes, very rarely, this type of recruitment will happen in India. Generally, in India, it will be regular, frequently this type of programming. But in US, they will not give programming, and they'll ask some telephonic interviews, type interview sometimes. But one or two girls told to me they have given a program and asking you to write on board, sometimes in system, and has to show. Very rare, but even though if you have a choice also, you'll write a program with appropriate data types, 100% marks to you only, because everybody will declare for this only int, but you will only declare like this. Okay, so that is a story. Total we have seen up to here only numerical data types.